What is up, everyone? Do I have exciting news for you today? A brand new update for the Oculus Quest 2 has been released, and therefore we also have brand new leaks within the code. And let me tell you, you're going to want to hear these ones. So without any further ado, let's hop straight into the news. So the first thing that we are going to talk about is something weird showing up on everyone's Oculus Quests 2. Now, I was helping out routing a phone while this was all happening, and I got spammed on Discord. Like, literally all hell broke loose on the Discord when this was happening. Everyone was like, does Mysticle know about this? Does Mysticle know about this? Well, no, I didn't know about this. Turns out some weird Avatar 2 SDK has been showing up on everyone's Oculus Quests 2s since yesterday, in the app drawer, and inside the Oculus store as well, with some weird placeholders instead of pictures. And honestly, it was pretty funny to look at, especially the Oculus page, but nobody knew what was happening. Now, I don't remember if you guys remember that I think 3 days ago, I talked about the new Oculus Quest 2 avatar system. I think this might be in relation to that, but Reddit did some digging and Reddit did some finding. Going on to the Oculus developer site, we have Oculus Avatar SDK 20.1. Note, Oculus is building a new version of our avatar product that was introduced at Oculus Connect. Apps using Oculus Avatar 1.0 will continue to work, but may not receive future updates, and avatars may not be user editable. We recommend Avatar 1.0 developers to update to 2.0 when it is made available. And what I believe is happening is this is what became available yesterday, because this is the Avatar SDK 2.0 that they were talking about in this Developer Hub article that they said was going to start rolling out. So what I think is this is literally just the brand new SDK rolling out, and for some reason it has shown up on everyone's quests when it really didn't need to, unless it is going to become something in the future and allow us to edit our avatars within there, but it just kind of confused everyone unnecessarily. So there you go. I think the mystery has been solved. I literally think it's just an update, but if you guys think it's something else, please let me know down below. This one is very, very exciting because, again, yesterday we received update V27, and as you all know, we had a little bit of skepticism. We were speculating together, and we ended up saying that, you know what, we think version 27 is going to have 120 hertz, and specifically, KitKat on the Discord said that to me. Well, it turns out he was half right, because yesterday V27 got released, and Basti, the person that was leaking all the codes to us so far, has more leaks in regards to V27. He extracted the files and found the following wording within the code. Increase your display refresh rate to 120 Hz when requested by supported apps. This may affect battery usage, headset temperature, and visual quality of system features. So, it is in there. It is within the code. You can't enable it, which would make sense because according to the roadmap, the confidence level is now set to low on 120 Hz and set for Q2 of 2021, whereas it used to be Q1 of 2021 and the confidence level used to be medium, I believe, or even high. So we are falling down that rabbit hole of, are we actually going to get 120 Hz? But it is within the code. So either they were experimenting with it and they forgot to take it out, or we can actually enable it using ADB commands, even though I did get the Discord to try that yesterday and they were unfortunately unsuccessful, or it is within the code and we're literally just waiting for Oculus to enable it, because that is something they can do. They can just network-wide enable these features as they want to roll them out. So version 27 could have brought that 120 Hz, but it's just not enabled until Oculus flicks the switch. It is within the code though, which is incredibly, incredibly exciting. Now, Basti did also find information in regards to intrusion detection within the V27 code. And we've already talked about intrusion detection and everyone's really excited for it on the Oculus Quest, but now we literally have code talking about intrusion detection and detailing it within the V27 update. So we're getting closer to it. And that's not all. To add to the insane list of updates that we're already getting, it seems we are going to be able to see some form of phone notifications inside the headset, which a lot of people have wanted for a long, long time, including myself. This would make it so much easier than having to pull up the headset and check your phone every time you get a notification. I'm really digging this feature. And in case you, for whatever reason, don't believe Basti, you can actually check this out yourself. Basti has made a video showcasing everything he has done and even released an open source GitHub app for us to check out, which we will be playing around with later in this video anyway. So do make sure to check out his channel in case you are interested in finding out how to do things like this, and check out his GitHub page down below, because his work reveals things to us that Oculus might not want us to know just yet. But this is important information. I mean, come on, 120 Hz, a lot of us want that, even if it's just for the Oculus Link. Imagine PC VR on the Oculus Quest, 120 Hz. That is exciting. But there isn't only good news. Unfortunately, with the version 27 update, there seems to have been more and more issues as we move on. Multiple users on Reddit, and I mean multiple, like a lot of people on Reddit, and multiple people on the Discord have been talking about issues with version 27. Whether it's the software getting extremely choppy or the Oculus Link not working like it's supposed to. For example, a user on Reddit types, "Hello, with the version 27 update, the Oculus Link is getting worse," which is not what we want to hear with users using the Oculus Quest 2 headset for PC VR only. If I test the speed of my USB 3 cable now, it's only 890 megabytes per second. With version 26 and the same USB 3 cable, that speed was at 2,000 megabytes per second. Someone of you is getting the same experience? So it's basically a question asking if anyone else is getting the same experience, and the comments section seem to be agreeing with it. And some people are even speculating that this could be to phase people out from using the Oculus Link and switch to the Oculus Store. Multiple users have been saying that playing Steam VR on the new update is completely impossible, which to me is just like a huge what? Another known issue on the V27 update is a cooling fan error that is completely false. So if you do start getting this error, I would take it with a little bit of skepticism. So do keep that in mind, just thought I would get that out there. But all of this is a little weird, because the next piece of news is the fact that the Oculus Quest 2 sold more than every other Oculus headset combined. How insane is that? Those numbers are unbelievable. I cannot seem to get around them in my head. Sold more than every other Oculus headset combined. The VR community has grown to such an enormous size, and as much as you can hate Facebook and Oculus, you have to give them props. They have expanded the community and made it more affordable for people to join this community. But then they go ahead and they do this, and they ruin people's experience. So people may be saying, wow, VR is incredible, VR is amazing, I love this, and they're showing it to their friends, and then they get this. What are they gonna say? They're not going to be happy. And this is not okay. And yeah, then the Steam VR users are gonna come out and they're like, oh yeah, you should have just bought a Steam VR headset. But the thing is, these people are coming to VR because it's now affordable. Steam VR is still not 100% affordable. Those headsets, the HP Reverb G2, the Valve Index, all the Pimax headsets, they're not at the point where it's going to be available to everyone to buy. They are incredible headsets, fantastic headsets, but they're not going to be as wildly available as the Oculus Quest 2. So to me, Oculus kind of ruining that experience for people really need to get their things together. And of course, I'm not saying Oculus is doing this on purpose, but you'd think that while testing these updates, they would get some of these bugs and possibly try to fix them before they release them, especially with those updates that they release waves at a time. Not everyone gets them at the same time. It's just slightly confusing to me. But let me know what you think down below. Have you been having issues with V27, and have you been having issues before that? Because a lot of people are saying they have been having issues before that. It's just confusing to me, but I really want to hear your opinions on the subject down below. Okay, so now without any further ado, I want to take you guys through exactly how to use pass-through portals and, well, any other hidden feature that you might want to use on your Oculus Quest using Basty's APK, because he did release the APK, so that means we can all use it, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Basty. You're doing God's work for the Oculus Quest VR community, but a lot of you really wanted this tutorial, so let's jump right into it. First thing you are going to require is some form of computer or Android phone. The Android phone does need to support OTG, and I do actually have a video on that right up here. So in case you're using an Android phone, download the APK and follow this tutorial right here. We're going to use the PC because it's much easier for me to record on it, but you can use this exact method here using Bug Jaeger to flash it using your phone. So you're going to need SideQuest for this, you're going to need developer mode on for this, you're going to need, all the standard features in order to sideload to your Quest. on. Grabbing our Quest here, power it on. Mine's actually already powered on because I was waiting for the V27 update all morning. Grab your local neighborhood USB Type-C cable. So then hopping onto Basty's GitHub page, we see V1.0 for V26. So I don't actually know 100% whether this is going to work for V27, but if he does release one for V27, it's going to show up here as well. But hey, look, we can try it. So what you want to do is you want to download the app-release.apk. Then you want to fire up SideQuest or your favorite sideloading method. And then what you want to do is click up here, install APK from folder on computer, go to downloads, find the APK that you have downloaded, double click on it, and it's going to start app install onto the headset. From there on out, it's actually really simple. What you want to do is just hop right into apps, go to all, scroll down to unknown sources, and you have VR Shell Intent Launcher. You just want to click on that and you're going to get your launcher here. Of course, my screen there is going to go blank, but all you do in here is you just tap on the all_events. You're going to see that and you get a list of things you can enable. So in case you want the pass-through portal in here, what you do is you just scroll down and enable the pass-through portal. Then you're actually pretty much set to go. One little thing to mention here, do make sure your Guardian is on and is not disabled in developer mode. What I have found is that if you disable the Guardian in the developer settings inside your Quest, this will actually not work. You need to have the Guardian enabled. And it is quite literally that simple to use Basty's APK to unlock hidden features on your Oculus Quest 2. And let me tell you, that keyboard shortcut for Infinite Office, I know I called it Infinite Desktop all video yesterday. I fixed myself in the comments section, but damn, was that a mistake. It's Infinite Office. You can make your very own DIY Infinite Office using that and Virtual Desktop, and let me tell you, I've been using it all day yesterday for some video editing, for some answering some emails. It works fantastic, and a lot of people on the Discord are absolutely loving it. So you know what? There you guys go. You wanted the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out. If you guys have any issues, if it's not working out for you, we're here to help. Join the Discord, ask in the comments section. The Discord does answer much more often than the comments section, so do feel free to join there in case you need help. And yeah, that's going to be that. That is it for today's video, guys. But just before we end the video, I need a party. We all need to party, because you know what? I got an email yesterday from YouTube saying, yeah, we're still working to fix your issue. We're still working to fix your timestamps, your chapters, etc. But we're going to need more time. Like, we've got an update from our internal team, but we are going to require more time. And then yesterday, while I was helping root the phone, I got a message in the comments section saying chapters are working. So you know what? I can finally confirm we have YouTube chapters fully working on the channel, which means every previous video on this channel has chapters now, because I had set them all up for chapters. They were all ready for when YouTube fixes the problem, and YouTube finally fixed the problem. Thank you so much, YouTube. I love giving people the option to only watch the parts of the video that they enjoy, and as much as I need that watch time, I make videos for you guys, so therefore you should get the content that you need. And yes, we have chapters working. I've been waiting to do that since yesterday, seriously. I just wanted to do that. I needed to do that. It's been a long time coming. So if you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of the community, make sure to join our Discord down below. Make sure to join our Reddit, post your spicy memes. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we have sick mugs down below, mysticalstore.com, that boost your FPS to 300%, and we've got hoodies, t-shirts, everything like that that doesn't put a huge ad on your body. I'm actually still waiting for mine to come. So if you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel daily, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.